In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the connection timed out error code 1000 in Cloudflare. We'll walk you through a few simple steps to help you get back to a smooth and dependable connection. So if you're ready to tackle this issue head on, let's get started. First, we need to take a look at your DNS records. This step is crucial because the domain name system, or DNS, is essentially the address book of the internet. It translates friendly domain names to numerical IP addresses so browsers can load internet resources. If your DNS settings aren't configured properly, your website might struggle to connect, leading to error codes like 1000. To begin, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. This involves going to Cloudflare's website and signing in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. From there, locate and click on the DNS Settings tab. This will take you to a page displaying all your existing DNS records, which are entries used to direct traffic to your hosting server. Under DNS settings, we need to verify that your A records are accurately configured. An A record links your domain to the IP address of your hosting server. If these records are misdirected or incorrect, they can be the root of connectivity issues, including the one we're troubleshooting today. Ensure that each A record entry points directly to your actual hosting server's IP address. If you're unsure about what the correct IP address is, you might need to consult your hosting provider. They can confirm the correct IP that should be listed in your DNS settings. Once the A records have been verified or corrected, the next step is to check for any Cloudflare IPs listed as your origin server. It's important not to use Cloudflare IP addresses here, since they should not act as your origin server IPs. Having a Cloudflare IP set up incorrectly can cause connection issues and display error messages like the one you're experiencing. If you see any Cloudflare IPs mistakenly listed as origin IPs, you'll need to remove them. This process involves clicking on the record you want to modify, making the necessary changes, and then saving your new settings. Removing these will help eliminate any potential mismatches and bring your configuration back in line with recommended practices. Throughout this process, make sure to save any changes you've made and give your DNS some time to fully propagate. Once done, try accessing your site again. Following these straightforward instructions should help solve the connection timed out error code 1000. Remember, proper DNS settings are key to maintaining effective and reliable connectivity to your website. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enjoy a hassle-free browsing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy